Hi there, I'm Todd Miller, president of Isaiah Industries, manufacturer of specialty residential metal roofing systems, including the Castle and Irons brand. One of the things that we really enjoy each year is providing awards to the independent contractors who promote and install our products across the country. While we always enjoy providing those awards and presenting them to them in person, this year, unfortunately, with travel restrictions and the coronavirus, we simply weren't able to do that. So we're very pleased to provide this video in order to award our Superstar Award to Distinctive Metal Roofing. Bruce Hicks and Gary Romey and the rest of their team do a fantastic job of providing beautiful, energy-efficient, durable roofing systems to homeowners in Ohio and Pennsylvania. Bruce and Gary, thank you so much for your loyalty over the years and for all of your business. We very much enjoy working with you. So this Superstar Award is very much deserved. Congratulations. We look forward to a great 2020 together as well. Thanks so much.